Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Asus laptop if the screen is black but the power is on. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, make sure that your laptop is currently plugged in to a power source. Okay, make sure that your charger is plugged in. Now, once it's plugged in, go ahead and find the power button. Okay, you gotta want to hold it. Hold the power button for about 15 seconds for your laptop to fully shut down. Okay, and once it's shut down, you gotta want to click on the power button again and check if it helps. Okay, now if that still won't work, again, hold the power button until it's fully shut down. Now what you'll do is go ahead and press Control plus B plus the power button simultaneously. Again, Control plus B and the power button simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds. And just wait for your laptop to fully open. Okay, if that still will work, try the Windows key plus B and the power button. Hold it, okay, again for about 5 to 10 seconds and check if it helps. All right, and there you have it. That is how you fix your Asus laptop if the screen is black but the power is on. Now, if that still will work, well, it might be a problem with your screen itself, okay? Or display. You might want to get it checked by a local technician. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.